All right, guys, now that we're done with that oil change, we got one more DIY project here. So we got some JB Weld plastic bonder. So we're gonna DIY this. Some lady decided to bump into this and break this. It's just a plastic cover. If you look, the mirror's still good. See, it's just this plastic cover. Seeing as we ain't been good enough weather to go to the junkyard and find one yet, we're gonna silicone it up right there on that seam, make it permanent. So we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show you the mixing of this plastic bond, then we'll apply. Let's set, see how it goes. So first things first, the 2-part, supposed to be able to just plunge it. I don't think we're gonna need the whole tube, so we're just gonna put a little bit like so. Pull it back out. Put your resealable cap back on there. However it goes back on there, one way or the other. There it is, like that. They give you a little thing, mix thoroughly. Don't get it on another car. That's my 3rd gen we're doing it over. About to get it all over the 3rd gen. We're thinking about painting the 3rd gen with JB Weld plastic bond. Why not? Just give it a thick coat. Look, it's turning all nice. Black, look how thick it's getting already. Now applying is gonna be the fun part and not getting it everywhere. So we'll scrape it all together here. Got us a nice little puddle. Let's walk over here. All right, Dad, you're gonna have to hold that camera and hold that mirror right where you want it. We're just gonna lay it down in there just like this. I try to use this cardboard as like a little trough, kind of push it down in there. It's gonna be a bit excessive. We're trying to keep it from being too much. Here's the fun part here, y'all. See how nice that lays down in that crack? The good thing is that we're in the process of looking in the salvage yards for replacement mirrors. So this is temporary, just a little quick DIY. If you want to do it at your house, your mirror's rattling around, try to wipe that excess off like so. Then we're gonna get up here. This is gonna be the real fun part because the top's tight. So we're gonna try to do the old let it run off the spoon here. A little goes a long way, so you don't have to get super crazy with it. It will fill. See that? It's almost like a really liquidy silicone. Get that crack filled up. Continue to smooth. You want to try to make it look as good as possible. So then you take your other finger, wipe that excess off. Put all the rags up, Dad. There it is. There's that old rag. Get a rag, try to touch it up a little more. Comes off fairly easy when it's wet. See that there? The objective is to get as much off as you can before it dries. Once it dries, it's supposed to dry as hard as regular old plastic. At that point, it's going to be too late, and you're going to be trying to scrape it off, and you're going to mess your paint job up even worse. Oh.
That's good.
Now that we got that crack filled, we'll do a little touch up. Stuff's already getting tacky. We'll smear a little bit on there like that. It's almost like body filling. Get a little more down here on the bottom. See if we can't get that done. Stuff's already getting tacky, tacky, tacky. All right. Touch that up a little bit. So we got it in there. You can see how I just sealed that crack up. Like I said, we're in the process of looking for a mirror. Replace the whole mirror here. So this is just temporary, so it's not rattling around. You don't want to listen to it. It's just a quick DIY tip. You could do it with super glue, Permatex. It don't really matter. You're just looking for something that'll dry hard, keep it from moving. But that's about it. So now we got everything glued up, JB welded up. Just put a little tape on there like so, just to hold it. 24 hours, all that goop will be fully cured. Take that tape off. No more jiggling window housing. Nobody wants to listen to that going down the road at 70 with your windows down and all you hear is clickety clack, clickety clack. So that's the end of the video for today. We'll get back at y'all. Keep living the dream, doing your thing.